Yoga is the journey of the self through the self to the self. Its aim is to purify our mind, body, and soul. It maintains a connection between ourselves and Mother Nature. Due to crisis of COVID-19, this year International Yoga Day will be celebrated on digital media platforms on the theme Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family. Yoga itself plays a significant role in boosting our immunity and in curing respiratory disorders. The first International Yoga Day was celebrated on 21st June 2015 across the world with a lot of zeal and enthusiasm. This year we are celebrating the 6th International Yoga Day, 21st June. This day shares a special significance in many parts of the world. This day is the longest day of the year in the northern hemisphere. Actually, yoga itself is a very old practice. Its origin can be traced back to Lord Shiva, who is also called Adi Yogi and is known as the teacher to all the yogis in the world. So, true yoga is not about the shaping of our body, it's about the shaping of our life. It is not a workout, it is a work in. This is a spiritual practice. Our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji focused on its awareness and declared 21st June as International Yoga Day. This is very important for us to understand that yoga targets all the different systems of the body and mind. The asanas make the body strong and flexible. The practice of pranayam regulates the purification of the organs and internal systems. My dear friends, our soul is our best friend. We should treat it with care and feed it with love. Make yoga part of your life. Live it and enjoy your life. Thank you.